Class Air welcomes you aboard
Aircraft 2,
travelling to...
Cairo.
You will pay attention to the following safety instructions. During takeoff and landing, switch off all electrical devices and fasten your safety belt. In the event of an emergency, please run screaming to your nearest exit. After you have unfastened your seatbelt. Exits and washrooms are situated forward, aft and over each wing. Depending on the emergency, please choose the correct door. For fresh air, open the air vent above your seat. Do not open the window. In the event of decompression, oxygen masks should drop down. Use the elastic strap to place securely over your mouth, and you can continue to breathe. Some instructions are printed on our safety leaflets. May we remind passengers, this is a non-smoking flight.